Learn how to modify the risk matrix in Excel to visualize your organization's risks and risk tolerance. The risk matrix sheet helps you set up consistent criteria to assess risk across your organization. It also visualizes all your risk ratings, giving you a view of where attention is needed most and what action is needed. All text fields in this sheet are editable, so you can customize the matrix to match your organization's risk definitions. The heat map is easy to update, just copy and paste the formatting and values as needed. Remember, all other tabs in the workbook reference this matrix. Use caution when making changes, because updates here will automatically carry through to other sheets. After updating the matrix, it's good practice to review your risk registry to see the impact on risk ratings and ensure your changes have the intended results.